Sri Bural Narsingh Goda.
Thank you, madam, for giving the opportunity. I'd like to ask the questions in two parts, madam. We have all Sansas, all the parliament members have seen the difficulties in implementing the SAGI, madam, Sansas Adarsh Grama Yojana. It was started with a good intention. Because there is a lack of funding, clear-cut funding pattern, the MPs are left on themselves to mobilize the resource to go after the officials, to after the department, to converge all the schemes. I would like to ask the minister, I know that as it was saying in the English, madam, one picture is worth 1,000 words. So like that, one good model grounded project is better than 1,000 schemes, madam. In this, I would like to ask the minister whether there is any critical gap funding for this project or not. If so, what is the project? Because that is one thing, madam. If that is there, they have said 5,000 crores. If it is coming to 16 crores per project, is it going to be sufficient to really make the change? I want to answer for this first question.
Yes, Minister.
Madam Speaker, Honorable Member has asked about the funding pattern. It's very clear that we are going to have 300 clusters in the next 3 years. And out of 300 clusters this year, we have been able to identify 100 clusters.
Yes.
And out of 100 clusters, 93 clusters have already been approved. And the only 3 states which have not come forward with any recommendation, that is Punjab, Assam and Manipur. And we are still asking them that if you want to have any of the clusters, according to parameters drawn, we are still ready to accept those recommendations.
Yes.
As far as funding is concerned, ma'am, this project is of 5,042 crore rupees mission.
Yes.
And the funding would be one cluster. It is expected that between 76 crore to 120 crore. A cluster may have the requirement from 76 crore to...
According to requirement, funding
Yes,
will be.
but we, from our ministry, we have made provision.
Yes.
If all these resources are not clubbed together in a particular project, then up to 30% we would be giving critical gap funding. That means maximum 30 crore can be given to one cluster to meet that requirement. The rest of the requirement would be by the convergence of different schemes by the state government as well as the schemes which is of the central government.
Mr. Mehtab ji.